welcome to Love in the Pot. Sister Shauna here, and I hope to share a few tips with you. I know we haven't gotten deep into cooking just yet, but we shall. Right now, it's very hot, and everybody is focusing on health, especially with the COVID-19 going rampant. We are trying to build up our body's defenses so that we do not get sick. So today I'm coming to you with more info on our Eat to Live segment. So before we get started, I want to share a little bit of research I did to help you better understand how foods can help you. Again, I mentioned before, the Lord God made all the things that we need here. The green herbs are for our benefit and for our healing. So with that said, we need to consume more fresh, healthy food. Try to incorporate some raw vegetation and raw fruits as well, because these things will help our bodies. So just a few facts, and you can do your own research. For instance, oregano helps fight infections like staph. It's full of antioxidants, fiber, vitamin K, manganese, iron, vitamin E, tryptophan, as well as calcium. And remember, I told you I have this in my garden, and I've been using it for years. Honestly, ever since culinary school. Whatever fresh, beautiful vegetation and fruits I could get my hand on, I always love to incorporate them. And honestly, they just give so much flavor and life to your food. You can totally taste the difference. So these are things my family has been doing for years, but you know, we could certainly all improve, incorporate more, and we can always learn something new. So even in my research, I'm learning more, and I'm like, oh, maybe that's why my skin is clear, because I've been doing these things for years. So we'll be using some of these components in our blends today. But as I said, we'll just do a rundown. So apples, as many of us know, are full of fiber. I know you've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, here's why. Not only does it have fiber, it also has potassium and other vitamins like A, E, B1, B2, B6, vitamin K, and it also is full of water as well. So, you know, that apple will help keep you full with the fiber and the extra water content. All right, so now let's look at melons. Melons are rich in several nutrients. Melons have lots of nutrients in them, and they help reduce your blood pressure. They also have nutrients that are vital to bone health. They promote healthy skin, and they are rich in electrolytes and water, and they help fight they help you with digestion problems. They could also help boost your immune system. All right, so let's keep going. And as I mentioned, I am specifically going over things I'll be incorporating today, but please, I implore you to continue to dig, do your research, and see exactly what your food can do for you. So now we have cucumber. We all know cucumbers are full of water. They also have lots of antioxidants. And antioxidants are actually substances that help prevent cell damage and oxidative stress caused by free radicals. So that's one of the reasons why antioxidants are so important. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamin C, beta carotene, manganese, molybdenum, don't know if I said that right, flavonoids, and antioxidants. And they are said to help prevent with cancer. So all praises for that. Also, we have berries next on the list. Berries are loaded with antioxidants. They are high in fiber and many nutrients. They help fight inflammation and reduce blood sugar and insulin response. They can also help fight cancer. Now we have citrus. This is the general term, but you can look them up individually. Citruses have multiple nutrients. They are full of fiber, vitamin C, flavonoids, and help reduce inflammation. They may also help improve your gastrointestinal function and overall health. All right, so basil. Basil is good for digestion as well. It can fight depression. It's also an anti-inflammatory and has lots of skin benefits. It can help support a healthy gut and help support liver function. It also helps detoxify the body and fight off free radicals. All right, so a lot of these terms we're hearing over and over again, but you see, fresh fruits and vegetables will really help you. Mint. Mint can help with digestion. It's also an anti-inflammatory, and it helps to reduce swelling and mucus levels. It is also an antiviral and has antibacterial properties, which may also help with headaches. So I have heard that peppermints help reduce headaches. So now we have a quick rundown on what your fresh herbs can do for you. Isn't that amazing? All right, so let's get started. Coming to you with clean hands. Remember to wash with warm to hot soapy water with a 20-second scrub. Get in between those fingers. Agitate here under those nails. You can use a nail brush. Wash all the way up to your forearm. Okay, so let's get started. So now we know the power of hydration, and now we have an idea of what our fresh herbs and fruits and things can do for our bodies. So if you're very busy, you have a busy household, you may want to consider doing prep. Focus on one day of the week where you can do a few things to help yourself later in the week when it gets busy and chaotic. You can even prep something quick for yourself, like your spa water. All you have to do is grab it in the morning, or you can even prep little baggies. I have here the ingredients listed with the date that it was prepared. You can put the items in there, and if you aren't sure if you're going to use them that week, then throw them in the freezer, and you have something available at a grab. All you have to do is throw it in your water pitcher, or your personalized pitcher or jug for work, and you're set for success. So today we're going to start with some simple varieties. I'm going to do a strawberry, melon, mint, and lime blend. And this will help with keeping your breath fresh, settle an upset tummy, as well as offer some antioxidants. Okay, then we're going to do a lemon, cucumber, and oregano. Keep in mind those things that we learned. So this will help us to boost our energy during the day, help with hydration, as well as reduce inflammation and antibacterial levels. Then we'll do a ginger, orange, basil, and apple blend. And this one is also anti-inflammatory and will help with digestion, as well as incorporating a few more vitamins and other things. So let's get started. I have a lemon that I already started from, so I'm going to make a few cuts from that. Along. My fresh cucumber slices and the lemon. Just take a couple of slices and cut it down. You can certainly squeeze some juice in there as well. But if you leave it overnight, it'll have time to get that flavor out. So that's my first one set up. We'll get them all set, and then we'll add ice and water. Okay, so now we will do our orange, basil, and apple. And this is a good way to get rid of fruits that are kind of on their way out the door, or maybe they have a few bruises. Don't waste it. Blend it up in a smoothie or something, or use it in some hydration water. Okay. I'm gonna slice it twice. All right, so now we'll get a couple of baggies prepped. I have one here prepped for my melon and strawberry. And then I also have a baggie for the lemon, cucumber, and oregano. So what I just did in the jar, I'll put some in here as well. Curl it down, stabilize it on your counter so it'll stand for you, like so. Okay, so I'm putting my cucumber slices in there, my lemon, and more oregano. And then when I am ready for this on a busy week, all I have to do is pull it out of the freezer or the fridge, add my ice and water, and I'm good to go. One prepped, and this one was for the berry and melon. This one will be very pretty in the glass too. So I'm just going to make some slices. You can slice it however you like. Remember, the goal is to slice it thin, keep your fingers curled and protected. I recommend you watch my video on how to make garden salsa. I have more cutting tips in there. Berry in there. Three to four slices should do. And that's that guy. It's prepped up, it's labeled, and ready to go. So now we'll add ice and water to these so you can see how they came out. Hey, I'm back. So we're back. I have ice added in with my water. I gave it a little stir with a butter knife. With the flavors in there. Remember, the longer it sits, the better it tastes. It needs at least 2 hours to sit to get those flavors out. But of course, sometimes the white part, the pit, will start to make it bitter. So, you know, if you don't consume it within the first 3 days or so and it has a lot of that citrus pit, then it may begin to taste bitter. But it's good for you. Here is our oregano, cucumber, and lemon. And we also have our little fridge or freezer ready spa water kits ready to go. So you could set yourself up for success and have some of these things done ahead of time for a busy day. I hope this was helpful to you, and please stay tuned. Pretty soon I will have some more videos coming out in our Eat to Live segment. I will feature a few healthier alternatives and maybe another drink here and there. All right, so thank you for your time. Remember to like and subscribe and share. And please tell me in the comment section what you'd like to see. I love your feedback. Thank you and have a great day.